Social media users are going crazy over video footage that emerged from the Democratic Republic of the Congo, and serious discussions regarding the true intentions of the UN and nations it claims to be defending have sparked among African observers. In the video, a downed UN drone is seen being moved by residents and military to an unknown place. According to certain local accounts, the drone crashed in the Democratic Republic of the Congo on Saturday, November 3, carrying gold, weapons, and parachutes. This happened in North Kivu, an eastern province that is home to several rival groups. Regarding the drone crash, the cause is yet unknown. In the video, residents can be heard speaking Lingala and Swahili. They assert that the UN is causing instability and resource plundering in Congo rather than providing security and peacekeeping. The United Nations is in the DRC on a peacekeeping mission known as MONUSCO. The United Nations Organization Stabilization Mission in the Democratic Republic of the Congo has been operational in the DRC since 1999, with the primary objective of stabilizing the country following a protracted period of civil war and conflict. MONUSCO's multifaceted mission includes tasks such as protecting civilians, supporting peace processes, and providing humanitarian assistance. In 2013, the United Nations Security Council authorized the use of unarmed aerial vehicles, or drones, by UN peacekeeping forces across the globe. Peacekeeping missions such as MONUSCO have been utilizing drones for almost 10 years, citing the UN's need for them to properly carry out its objectives. It is thought that MONUSCO was the operator of the drone seen in the video. Bear in mind that all this is happening just after the Democratic Republic of Congo President Felix Tshisekedi asked his government to fast-track the withdrawal of the United Nations peacekeeping mission and ensure it begins at the end of the year. He said this at the UN General Assembly in September. The MONUSCO mission succeeded a prior UN operation in 2010 to help reduce insecurity in the eastern region of the country of Central Africa, where armed groups engage in conflicts over resources and territory. However, its existence has grown more and more unpopular in recent years due to criticism that it hasn't done enough to shield citizens from militia groups, leading to violent protests. Thousands of civilians have suffered, and frustrated Congolese say that no one is protecting them from rebel attacks. Earlier this month, a Congolese military crackdown on planned protests against the UN mission terminated at least 43 people and severely injured more than 50 in the eastern city of Goma. 2 high-ranking officers were arrested. Such protests have been common. A visit by Pope Francis to eastern Congo, planned for early this year, was cancelled because of the worsening security situation there. More pressure is expected to be applied on a different, much smaller East African regional force in eastern Congo that has also witnessed civilian protests as the UN mission withdraws. The Southern African Development Community also decided to send troops to the eastern Congo earlier this year. Nevertheless, we are all waiting to see what will be done to the drone and how things are going to unfold. What sanctions do you think are going to be taken in relation to the UN? Let us know what you think in the comments. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the New Tourist channel. Turn on notifications too so you get notified whenever we upload videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.